How to change phone number on H&R Block account. Here is how to change your phone number on your H&R Block account. Go to www.myblock.com. Sign in using your email or username and password. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Find the Personal Information or Contact Info section. Click the Edit or Update button next to your phone number. Delete the old number and enter your new phone number. Double-check the number to ensure it's correct. Then click Save or Done to confirm. Wait for a verification code to be sent to your new number. Enter the verification code in the prompt to confirm the change. You'll see a confirmation message that your phone number has been updated. Thanks for watching.